don't slide. So I'm in the beautiful country of Slovenia, and now I'm back in the UK, but I managed to have 24 hours with the Honor Magic 7 Pro in the beautiful country of Slovenia. Now, the device I was using is not quite the finished and polished article. There are some updates coming at the end of January to fine-tune everything and also enable a few more camera features in there as well. So you're probably not going to see any real proper reviews of the European version today. So at launch date, the phone is available for €1,299. It is a beautiful design. I had this lovely, lovely lunar shadow grey, which looked excellent, especially in the snow. Beautiful design, glass front and back, 6.8-inch OLED display, dynamic refresh rate as well, so it's not always constant 120, so great for battery life. And in the 24 hours I was using the device, I didn't have my SIM card in there. It was just mainly used really as a camera, so taking photos and videos. At the start of the day it was 100%, and around about 2:30, 3 o'clock it was down to 66%. So on the first 24 hours I think was pretty decent. So the camera has a large 200 megapixel sensor. We also have 3x optical as well. So with the 3x optical and the 200 megapixel sensor, you get a combined 6x, which is the equivalent really to a 6x optical. The quality is really that good. So 3x optical, and the rest it's a digital zoom with a 200 megapixel sensor, and you get some really good results at 6x. But if you turn on AI recommendations in the photos and you zoom in from 30x to 100x, this is AI super zoom. What is AI super zoom? You zoom right in. I was getting like 100x, maybe some 80, 90x. You take a picture and then AI will basically tidy up the image. And the results were quite impressive. I mean, obviously there's updates in end of January to come, so there might be a few tweaks here and there. But on the whole, I thought it was pretty good. Now, the motion sensing feature is something that I was quite excited about because I do shoot sports photography on the side as well. So I want to find a smartphone that really freezes that frame without any sort of blur. And this did it really well. This captured Sophie falling off her sledge as it was going down the hill. This feature seems to work really well, and once I get the phone back, I will be using it on some photo shoots for my football. So like I said, I was very limited to what I could do and use on that smartphone, but I was recording in 4K 60, I was taking selfies, portraits as well. The portrait features are really good. And with the AI enhancements, you'll notice the sun has this remarkable sort of star effect to them, which I thought looked excellent in video and in photo. So first impressions after 24 hours are very good. It seems to have good battery life. The design and build quality is beautiful. I really like it, especially the lunar shadow grey. And the photos and the videos, as you can see, look absolutely amazing. They look beautiful. And although obviously it's really sunny, it's snowy, I mean, a lot of cameras and photos will look excellent in those sort of conditions. But I was very happy with the results from that smartphone and the new AI features built in. So I will do a proper full review on this smartphone when I do get it back and test it after the updates to really thoroughly put it through its paces. Thank you very much for watching. Pop any comments down below and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.